In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple design that you can create at home. Only you're going to need 3 different polishes, starting with the black gel polish as a base. And by the way, guys, I already prepped the nail tips with some primer. Once I have all the nails placed already on the stand and prep, I went ahead with 1 layer of the black gel polish and cured it for 60 seconds. The next gel polish that we're going to be using today is a gray cat eye gel polish, and then I'm going to apply an even layer of that, magnetize it, and then cure it as well for 60 seconds. I'm just going to show you a couple of the nails so you guys get a general idea on the steps, and then once I have all the nails painted with this gray cat eye gel polish and cured, I'm going to move on to the red jelly gel polish. Next, I'm going to apply 1 even layer of the red gel polish. Only 1 layer because you need to see through to be able to get the effect from the cat eye. And if you look closely, you can see still the black peeking through. That's why this design is so cute. So whoever invented this idea, it was great. So cute, so cute. Then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And I'm going to apply some decoration. I'm using Born Pretty rhinestone glue for today, and I purchased this decoration from Shein, as you can see, and the package comes with multiple different things, so I decided to go for a cross and a couple more things that you're gonna see when I apply them here. And I like that the cross and the other decoration are kind of already rounded, so they will lay flat on the nails. I like that a lot because I don't want to be having the decoration sticking out too much and then getting stuck in my hair or having to put so much gel just to smooth it out. Once I finish here, I'm gonna flash cure it in place and then do a full cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and I will show you the final results in a moment. By the way, thank you for being here and watching my video. And welcome to all the new subscribers to my channel. I'm very grateful. And these are the final results for today. I apply my nails with sticky tabs. These sticky tabs I purchased on Shein and they're supposed to be stronger than regular sticky tabs. I do prep my nails. I push my cuticles, I buff the shine from the nails slightly, and I dehydrate with 100% acetone. The sticky tabs will last me for an event, maximum 3 days. But if you want your nails to last you longer, just purchase a strong nail glue and that will do the job. Thank you so much for watching my video and being here. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one.